Okay, my 1754 tracker. All right, I just put this Bimini cap on it. I got the 8 foot long, 54 inches high, I believe, and across it was like 74 to 78, I think. It fits this boat good, that size. Well, I put it on the inside of on the track, and I made these brackets up. All right, and I think I'm glad that I got the high one and the 8 foot long. I wasn't sure. I was going back and forth trying to figure it out. I kept watching videos. This is what I ended up with, and I think that I did the right thing. I'm going to have to learn how to crab around it, how to get my traps around it. I can stand up under there. My head like drags in the center, but you can adjust all that. You can take it up a little more or bring it down. If you use these kind of slide brackets, you can buy them on Amazon, but I made them. I bought the parts on there, a separate aluminum that I got out of I had a piece of angle iron. That's what it looks like. And these knobs are 2 inches. They could probably even be smaller. And I bought this hinge part with these pins and the knobs. And I tapped for these two. 1/4 20. And these here, of course, are on a quarter 20 carriage bolt. Okay. So it was fairly easy to do all this. See, now I can slide. These so I can get this thing lower, higher, cocked one way or the other. I got the poles on the back, which I think makes it more rigid. There's my little box I made. Outlets, and I got my GPS fish finder on there, and I got that plugged in, and also you can put a battery in it and use it in a boat without a battery. Or this here, I'm hooked to the boat battery. I got a pigtail coming out. And next, I'm putting these rollers on this trailer. Because this boat's a bitch to push off the trailer. Where I put in at, the ramp is shallow. Okay, so we'll see how they come out in a couple of days. Okay. I think she'll work out. But don't fall down. I could pull that a little tighter with them straps. That's a little wobbly up there. Okay, that's about it. See you next time.